Hey guys, I have some guests coming over and we are having a party, and I decided to do up these wonderful hot dog rings as a finger food. Came out incredible, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is grab up 4 hot dogs, and I'm just using standard hot dogs, but you can use jumbo hot dogs if you like. Then I'm going to cut them into about 3 pieces, just something like this. And then get this one off the side here, and simply cut them in half again. Now if you're using jumbo here, you can cut them a little differently. Next up, we're going to grab one up and just kind of make it into a circle. Overlap it just a little bit, something like that. Take a toothpick, go in through it, and out through the other end, so you get a circle, and look at that. You got a cute little wiener ring, something like this. Aren't they cute? One more time, just so everybody gets it. Grab up the hot dog, fold it over till you get a bit of an overlap, something like this. Toothpick, in through, and through the other end. And there you have it, guys. Voila. Now for our first dredging station, I'm going to start with half a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Season it up with half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Of course, you can add what you like, so we'll just go ahead and add these in. Add in an egg, and start adding in some really cold water, just a little bit at a time. I'm not going to say an amount here because just eyeball this. You want it thick, you don't want it runny. And I can't emphasize enough, really cold water. You can also use cold sparkling water too, that works well. So what you want at a viscosity, something like this, I just love those scientific words. Just so it's fairly thick and not too runny. That's just a few tablespoons. Now it is dredging time, so I'm just going to grab up a hot dog ring. Dredge it into the flour mixture. Make sure it's well coated here. I always tip my bowl a little bit. Drain off any excess. Then into the panko breadcrumbs. And I use panko here because they're nice and thick, but of course you can use the breadcrumbs of your choice. Make sure they're well coated. And we'll set these aside on a wire rack. Now let me tell you here, guys, these are really great for parties, and they're a budget finger food because, hot dogs are pretty cheap, and we're living in some pretty tight economic times, so these make like I say, fantastic party food. Now we're going to fry these up over low heat. I just got some oil going here, about 320, until they're a beautiful golden brown. I think these are going to be so good. Now they're a beautiful golden brown, I'm just going to pull them out, and these hardly take any time at all, guys, because, they're just hot dogs. And the great thing is, too, guys, you can fry these up as fast as people are eating them. And just before you serve these up, remember, you can just kind of twist the toothpick a little bit and just pull it out, and they stay into fantastic little rings. And wow, aren't these cute? Just spectacular. And this is absolutely perfect with ketchup. Oh, just look at this, guys. This is going to be so, so good. Your guests are going to love them. And there you have it, my friends, our simple, easy, and delicious hot dog rings. Okay, let's grab one of these little spectacular guys up and have a look here, guys. And I'm really quite impressed. I love the feel of them. I just like the texture. I hardly wait to taste them. Okay, here's the thing. I've had them out for about 10 minutes after deep frying, and they are still really crispy. And believe it or not, for some rolled up hot dogs, dipped in some batter, they are spectacularly good. I think your dinner guests are just going to love these. Absolutely good. You got to try these. Of course, you can have more